All right, what do we have here, Cole?
We have a Lego Roomba. So it comes with a controller, a cleaning cartridge, and the actual mobile. Now, what it is designed to do is it's like a regular $200 Roomba. But this invention from the brand I made myself, Welcome Home, you can see right there, that's our logo.
It's the Welcome Home Roomba.
Yep.
Remote controlled Lego pieces all included.
Yes, it's a Lego Roomba, and so here is the battery.
Yep.
That you plop
got 15 seconds. Do a quick run through and a demonstration.
You plop it out, and you just replace the batteries.
Sure.
Here, let's do a demonstration. So if we turn it on, here's where you put in the cleaning cartridge after you get it wet. And then if you have carpet, this will not work. It only works on hard tile floor.
So we'll have to do a demonstration on another video.
Yes.
Excellent.
Try it for yourself.
Bye now!